Hey artist Craig Kirkland,
Wagwan.
how is your day today?
Great indeed, that's it.
Your video, Learn How to Talk Like Jamaicans, is viral on
Well,
TikTok.
Give thanks to the fans them out there. Big respect.
Your Jamaican accent is amazing. My friend and I want to know more. Is that okay?
Alright, nothing wrong with that.
Yes, sir. Welcome to the United States.
What you say?
What? I don't understand.
He means, what are you saying?
We love your style.
Yo,
Just a
stop
brief
right
moment, sir.
there. A brief moment, something there. Me and a guy now hold no brief moments. You and your girl hold brief moments when I'm there in the bedroom. Talk to me straight, my love.
Oh my God, you are such a funny guy.
You is a funny guy. A funny guy.
Sorry
right
if there
there,
was
sir.
any misunderstanding. Let me continue. How do you say, who are you?
Oh, you.
Where are you from?
Where you come from?
What is your name?
Where your name?
Say, here I am.
See me here.
How would I say, can I have this?
Give me this.
Say this in a sentence. I am not someone to be played with.
The part of your friend. Hombre, me and somebody for you ramp with. Thump in your face, you know, you.
Nice knowing you, artist. Whenever you're ready, feel to come chill with the guys and I on the block. We can hold you
Me done
down
with
for a
this.
bit.
Me and the guy now go chill for no spot, or you can't hold me down for no spot. What you mean by hold me down? Yo, me done with this, you know, yo.